Hello, it's Thursday the 22nd. I'm FxPlew and I'm back under the brolly for the market brief. Now, Swati Dhingra's been on. She's concerned about some very real consequences if the MPC don't cut rates from the current 16-year high. She fears that many of the indicators that the MPC are referring to are actually lagging behind the real economy, so waiting for them to reach any particular levels carries its own set of risks. She should be encouraged by Bailey's testimony to the Treasury Select Committee, though. He suggested that where wage inflation continues to moderate, the Bank of England don't necessarily need to wait for inflation to reach the 2% target before delivering a rate cut. And don't forget, regardless of how weak it might be, the economy is now in recession, and that's not a badge of honour for any central banker to carry. Where a rate cut is expected to help stimulate a little bit of growth, so the pressure will continue to mount for the MPC to act and correct the recession that many now believe has been caused from their over-tightening. Meanwhile, over in the US, the soft landing is still very much on the cards. Nobody seems keen to call it, though, perhaps for fear of what happens next after the rabbit is out of the hat. As expected, there was nothing particularly interesting about the Fed minutes, but it was agreed that rates have topped out for the current cycle. What was not detailed was the timing of the first rate cut. There is a feeling that a rate cut may be coming soon, and certainly any weakness in the labour market would help accelerate that decision. Where the Fed has previously suggested that we might see about 75 basis points of cuts this year, as time goes on, more are accepting that perhaps a more cautious pace for rate cuts might be a more appropriate approach. Meanwhile, in the market, sterling didn't really react to the speculation that the Bank of England may be the first to cut interest rates. Sterling topped out around 126.40 against the dollar, where it looks like the dollar index may have run out of a little bit of steam. We kick off this morning around 126.50 against the dollar. We're 116.70 against the euro, and euro dollar is around 108.40 on the open this morning. Right, that's it from me. Have a great day.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FxPlew.